To block adult sites using DNS servers on a Windows computer, follow these steps. 1. Open network settings. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter to open network connections. 2. Access network properties. Right-click on the network adapter you are using, e.g. Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. 3. Modify DNS server settings. In the Properties window, scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Select the option Use the following DNS server addresses. 4. Enter DNS server addresses. To block adult sites, use a DNS service that offers content filtering. For example, OpenDNS Family Shield, preferred DNS server 202.67.222.123, alternate DNS server 202.67.22.123. Enter these addresses into the DNS fields. 5. Save and apply settings. Click OK to close the IPv4 properties window. Click Close to close the network adapter properties window. 6. Restart network connection. You may need to disconnect and reconnect to your network or restart your computer for the changes to take effect. By using these DNS servers, your computer will use the selected DNS service to filter out adult content. Make sure to test and confirm that the filtering is working as expected.